welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Ashimary Hair. Big shout out to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So I know you see it. I have a 26-inch 13x6 Kinky Straight lace frontal wig. She's 250 density. When I tell you I haven't received a Kinky Straight wig this length, let alone experienced a wig with such a big parting space. Like, this is huge. I don't know what's going on. I think within the last week I've gotten some wigs with some crazy parting space. The lace parting is huge. So this is 250 density, a whole lot of hair, okay? This is a Swiss transparent lace, so you will have to put in a little, work to get it to blend, but she's gorgeous. So I show you this. This is how it looked as soon as it arrived. And then I lifted the knots and I did some additional tweezing before I sat down to install the hair. So the hair is very, very full, but I did not want to flat iron this hair, not only because it would have taken forever, but just because I've grown to like the Kinky Straight look when you just press out the root and you leave it in that pretty texture. So being that I lifted the knots and I shampooed and conditioned the hair, I did blow the hair out. So the crimps that usually come in the Kinky Straight hair, the crimps are gone. I wanted to do a center part and add long curls to it, but we did something a little different. I did a swoop hairstyle, half up, half down. Gorgeous. Love the way this came out. If you stay tuned for the rest of the video, you will see that. I'll try to include timestamps. If you don't want to see the whole install process, you just want to skip ahead to the hairstyle, I'll include a timestamp so that you could just skip ahead to that. But I will have all the links and details in the description box if you want to check her out. Ashimary Hair is known for having these 250 density wigs. I have quite a few other wigs that I've reviewed for them. Check out that playlist at the end of this video, but they have tons of wigs that are 250 density, and I love that. But not only that, this 26 inches is so long. It reaches like the very, very top of my butt. This hair is long. Gorgeous. Let me tell you, if this was HD lace, you wouldn't be able to get this wig off me, okay? This one, I had to put a little extra work in. I used the even in the black cam, and then I used a little bit of powder at the end. But yeah, being that this wig is a full 13x6, it's perfect for larger heads. So if you have a bigger head, or if you have a lot of hair, your hair is real thick and the average cap sizes don't work for you, this will work for you. The wig is bomb. So check all the details down in the description box. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all. If there's anything that I forgot to mention, drop that down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.